Hi, Walt Cannon. I've been an electrician 32 years, owner-operator of Cannon Electric. I've been asked to give a few tips on being an electrician. The first thing that I would say would be that you would go to your local jurisdiction and find out the requirements through the Bureau of Labor and Industries for being an electrician. They are generally pretty informal as far as letting you know the route to go. They will put you in touch with the correct avenues to go to become an electrician. The other thing would be to study your math and be very well enunciated in math, and all scores on any tests are required to be average or better. I would make sure that I'm a good reader, a good listener, especially a good listener. Because the people that you're working with, the hazards that you're working with, if you're not very careful, it will kill you.